Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Now let's get started. And you might be waiting for the Xiaomi Mi A2. Xiaomi recently launched Xiaomi Mi A1 in last year and Redmi Note 5 Pro in this year, this month. It's a bang for camera and etc things. So let me conclude for you guys. I got the leaks for Xiaomi Mi A2 and I'm adding on in this video. This video is powered by two leakers. I'll drop down the link in the description. You can check them out from there. And these are the renders for Xiaomi Mi A2, how they're gonna look like and what they are actually. Basically, Xiaomi Mi A2 will support a 5.9-inch Full HD Plus display just like the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And guys, let me tell you this thing. It's the biggest hit by Xiaomi again, which gonna come in to 2018 December. It'll have a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 18:9 aspect ratio. As I told you guys, we all are waiting for this thing. And second biggest hit is Android One. It'll be powered by Android 8.2 or Android 9 in future. That's depend on Google. And one of the biggest hit again is it'll have a Xiaomi's own processor, which is Surge S2, and it'll give you ultimate performance. As according to them, Surge S2 is directly the competitor of Snapdragon 636, which is just now in Redmi Note 5 Pro. And I would say it has a USB-C fast charging support and a 12 megapixel camera, which is I think the biggest thing. Again, the speakers are at the bottom and you will see a big beautiful 18:9 6-inch display in Xiaomi Mi A2, which will be powered by Google, of course, the Android One thing. And guys, how we can forget the camera? The camera is powered by Sony or Samsung sensors, and maybe Xiaomi will add its own sensors in the Xiaomi Mi A2. The Redmi Note 5 Pro has a fantastic camera. You can check the link in the description. And the Mi A2 gonna have 20 megapixel front camera and 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera, just like the Redmi Note 5 Pro. We don't know whether they will add the LED flash in the front or not, but it's 90% done. So this is how the phone gonna look like. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel so that we will continuously make these kind of or more hands-on reviews kind of videos for you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care guys. Peace out.